Hello everyone, this is Umesh here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is day 8 of our 21-day English speaking challenge. First of all, congratulations if you are practicing with me every day. Today's topic is my biggest fear while speaking English. Many people want to speak English but they feel afraid. The biggest fear is making mistakes. People worry that others will laugh at them. Because of this fear, many people stop speaking English. But the truth is, mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers sometimes make mistakes. When we were children, we learn our first language by making many mistakes. In the same way, we can learn English. The important thing is practice and confidence and consistency. Consistency is the key to learn anything. Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just try to express your ideas in simple English. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Remember one thing, your feel will disappear when you start speaking regularly and consistently. Now it's your turn. Try to speak for 2 or 3 minutes about your fear while speaking English. You can talk about why you feel nervous, how you want to improve, and also write in the comment section day 8 completed. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow upcoming next videos. I request to everyone like and subscribe button, that will be mean a lot because I am learning and also I do more effort. I would create new video, me and yourself, because this is a journey for hours. Thank you for bye bye.